I'm going to see if start your engine really works. I have a Yard Machine 5 horsepower snowblower here that sat since last winter and did not drain the bowl or fuel like I was supposed to. And now this winter, it is not starting. So I got my choke on here. I have that loose right now, but choke on, throttle all the way up. The bowl's been primed. I tried it, which I've tried already before. It does not start. So I got fresh gas now poured in. And I know this bottle says you technically don't, well, maybe it does say you need fresh gas, but you take the lid off like that. Oh, yeah, you just push that to the side. All right, it's been about 30 minutes. I had to run an errand. I put some nice synthetic oil on the snowblower, did an oil change. Put in the start your engine. Again, it's been about 30 minutes. And let's see how she does. Moment of truth. Choke all the way up. On. Wow. Wow, success. I am very surprised. That is incredible. Okay, start your engine absolutely works. I didn't have to take apart the carburetor, mess with gaskets, get messy. This thing's like $8 at Walmart. I think AutoZone also carries it. That is fantastic.